I have heard. We get energy from.
For our listeners. Inside the earth.
Geothermal energy. Means. Liquid form.
Below the surface of the earth.
Molten. Rocks. Could you explain?
I have heard that we get energy from rocks under the earth. Could you explain how for our listeners? Yes, of course, we get energy from the heat inside the earth. This is known as geothermal energy. Geo means earth, and thermal means heat.
But rocks are cold, aren't they?
Not all rocks are cold below the surface of the earth.
The pressure is so great that rocks are in a very hot liquid form. We say that these rocks are molten. I see. Understand. Underground. Lakes of water. Steam. Produced. Through. Surface. Hole. Springs. Is that like? Comes up. Interesting. Drill. Pumped. The molten rock heats underground lakes of water. Sometimes steam is produced like this.
when the hot water comes up through a hole in the Earth's surface. That is when we get hot springs.
Is that like the hot water that comes up in their Siwa oasis? That is right. That is very interesting. But I don't understand how we can use energy from these molten rocks. Well, using today's technology.
We will drill deep below the Earth's surface into underground lakes of hot water.
This water is then pumped to the surface and is heated again to make steam. The steam is then piped to a power station, where it is connected to machines which produce electricity. That is incredible. So we do this already. Yes, there are geothermal power stations that produce as much energy as two large coal power stations. Thank you for talking to us about this very interesting subject. It has been a pleasure.